What's up, guys? How's it going? A little update here just on everything's been going on. It's been kind of crazy again. Got some big news, got some not so good news, and then just have some news all around. Me and buddy Zach and Ethan went up to Easley Raceway Hobby Connection to get some practice in for the SOS series coming up. I ran nitro buggy and 10 scale 4 drive buggy. The 10 scale drive buggy is so cool. I'm so glad I got into that. It was really sick. I love the way the car drives, really smooth, just completely different from 8 scale, and I'm really happy I got into it. Didn't have any problems this time. The motor was cool. I ran a fan and all that stuff, so I'm really stoked about that. So here's a little update, guys. Hope you guys. So here's the 10 scale buggy after its second endeavor. The first one did not go so hot. We had a bunch of overheating problems, hence all the holes in the body. It just had a bunch of complications, but it was just first run shakedown, so nothing major. I wasn't upset about it. This is actually I think a Hot Bodies or Durango body, one of the two. It does not fit very well, as you can kind of tell, so it was what it was. It worked. I was waiting on my raw speed body to come in. Been waiting on this thing for like a week. It finally came in. Shout out to my buddy Zach. Shout out to Raw Speed. I really appreciate it. The body looks so cool. I can't wait to get some paint on it and put it on the car. Really excited about that. As far as the car goes, everything did really good. I had to put a giant heatsink and a fan on the motor, put a fan on the ESC. Other than that, everything was good. No, I really enjoyed it. It was definitely a fun class to run. Got some scars now. Have not cleaned it yet. Been really busy after that. As far as nitro goes, well, if you're interested in having a little gander here at the Mugen MBX8, you can tell that she is filthy dirty from the weekend, but it was an awesome time. But if you notice something, it's different. It's not the engine we had in here. Kind of have a completely different engine setup, right, and pipe setup now. Again, shout out to my buddy Zach, dude. Without him, I don't know what I'd be doing. Thank you so much, Zach. So we were in the, what was it? I think it was second heat of qualifying, second round. We were doing pretty good, you know, just out there kind of doing our thing. And all of a sudden, I noticed I lost a little bit of power at one of the jumps coming into a turn. I didn't think anything of it, just smoked a little like normal. And I continued to drive while I come down the front stretch and try to make this little corner and just a little single over it, and the car doesn't make it. It just nosedives and then flips over. We can say goodbye to the good old Samurai 321B. She has cracked a rod and lost the bearing. This is definitely something I did not anticipate to happen. I kind of had a feeling I needed a backup motor, but I did not know this early in the season I was going to need this. That's freaking ridiculous. So yeah, she gone. Bunch of material in the bottom. You can see right there. Probably scored the block. Have no idea. She's running fine, running really good. And then just boom. So there's that. Now, second big thing. Not bad news, amazing news. I'm so excited about it. It was such a big thing. I kind of kept it a secret except from close friends, and my mom knew. That was about it. Like 3 years ago, I had a 2003 6.0 Power Stroke. It was dream truck. Always wanted one. Forever I wanted one. When I was a little kid, I used to like push my toy cars around and make like diesel noises because I always wanted a diesel. Well, I finally got that one, picked it up for a stupid good deal, painted the whole thing, and drove it like 10 days, if that, and someone offered me a deal I couldn't refuse for it. Luckily made some money off of it and all that. Well, ever since the day I sold that, I made a little goal list to myself and said I would own another one before I was 23. Well, this is now May, my birthday's in June, I'll be 23 then. So, kind of overachieved my goal there big time, because I thought I would have to sell my M3 and I did not want to sell the M3 for it, but I knew I really needed a truck for the business and just for everything as a whole. So I was kind of dreading that, but ended up turning out amazingly. I couldn't be more thankful, more blessed. Thank you for everybody that's helped me with this, and just everybody supported me and just helped me achieve my goals and just go after everything. I really appreciate it. So without further ado, here we go. So, sitting behind me is a 2005 Ford F-250 Super Duty Harley Davidson Edition. This is beyond a dream, beyond a goal. This is amazing. I never thought I'd be able to have this truck in this exact spec I wanted. Little backstory, I wanted the Harley Davidson Edition, not because I really like Harley Davidsons. My dad's a huge Harley guy, but it's just not for me. But it's the only one I could find that came with black interior. King Ranches had that interior. It looks really good when it's maintained, but when it's not, it just gets all like textured, and it's just, I don't like it at all. The Lariat's too tan, I really don't like that. Platinum didn't come out until 6.7 Power Stroke. 6.4's had a bunch of problems. I really didn't feel like dealing with all that stuff, and even if it was already deleted, I just didn't want to deal with that. I knew the 6.0 platform, I knew I loved it, and knew what I wanted, so I got my dream spec. I did want the navy blue truck, but the black one popped up, had the exact wheels I wanted, tires, fully deleted, bulletproofed, 5-inch exhaust, had literally everything. So I couldn't be happier. I still have the M3. We can use this to the M3 to the track, do some cool videos with that. I'm just so excited. I can't wait. I have a track day coming up the end of this month. Haven't decided if I'm gonna go yet because I need a passenger seat. I don't have a passenger seat still, so kind of have to figure that one out, but probably end up going. I'm so excited. And you're probably wondering, I should have done an earlier video, but I've just been like so busy just with everything. I was gonna do a paint correction. I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. There were so many scratches. There were so many messed up spots. The paint's just been so neglected. It's a black truck. It's 15 years old, and it's a truck. So, I mean, it definitely wasn't treated like a garage-kept car or anything like that. So, had a bunch of imperfection, and I wasn't happy with being, like, just the quality of stuff that I expect and that I want my stuff to be. And especially having the company name on it, I just couldn't do it. So, we're painting the whole truck. Today is Wednesday, filming of this video. I'm not sure if it get uploaded today or tomorrow. No, wait, I'm sorry, this is Tuesday. So today's Tuesday. Goal is to paint the truck Friday. Probably like Friday around 10 o'clock. Give me a little break because I'll probably need some sleep, sleeping a little bit. Maybe not, maybe paint at 8 o'clock, I don't know. But that's the goal so far. Last night I was doing the paint correction, decided I was just like, this isn't it. So I just started stripping it. I took all the trim off. You can see I don't have a grill in it, don't have headlights, don't have nothing. I took all that off, took the Harley badges off. I'm going through on some spots and going around and just getting all the imperfections out. There really wasn't a lot of dents or anything. It was just the paint, the scratches, and all that stuff. I couldn't stand it. So I'm painting it. I'm doing a little custom to it. So something that's never been done before that I know. We were gonna go pearl white, but I just didn't feel like it. The last truck was green. I painted it all swirls. I believe I'm pronouncing that right. It's a BMW color. It's like a navy blue. It's got a lot of pearl in it. Really pretty color, but we had to strip that truck, take the doors off, take the bed off, take the hood, like everything. It just wasn't worth it. I just wasn't feeling it with this one. The black is really pretty. Like, I love black. It's just so hard to maintain and so hard to keep scratches away. So I just figured we'd go ahead and do it. I'm gonna add something to it, hopefully hide some scratches and swirls, and we'll just see how it goes. But as far as that goes, guys, this is my little vlog update, just what's been going on the last couple weeks or so, or a week actually. I've done some RCing, I got some track videos, I'll post them in the video, try to include them somewhere. Didn't think about filming that much, I sincerely apologize. I'll definitely try to start doing that more. Want to go to the track, I'm sure there'll be some good content you guys will like. So as far as that goes, this is kind of all I got right now. I may do a little build video on the Power Stroke of like going through and painting it and all that stuff. Just do a little film here and there. We'll see how that goes. Not really sure. Probably do that. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Hope y'all have a great night and see you next time.